Welcome back. So you can see on the right side there is a QR code scanner. What does this scanner will do? Let me explain you. So there you can see this is a student data, okay, and this is a student QR code, and you need to scan this QR code to verify the student is available in our database or not. Okay, we understand we will verify the student by using the QR code. Is it available or not? But what is the purpose of this QR code? Okay, so welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to discuss about our exam admit card, a roll number slip of your exam. Okay, so this is a roll number slip, but what is the link of the QR code verification? Let me explain you. And you can see there is a student's data. Okay, there is a student's data and there is a access, allow or block. We will check out the access, allow or block both one by one. I just simply copy this CNIC. Okay, this is a demo CNIC and I paste it here and click on this get admit slip. Means give me the roll number slip. So you can see you will get the roll number slips something like that. Here your logo will come and here the student image come and here the signature come. How you can update them? We understand. Here's these things come. Just upload the images in your Google Drive and just come to the your settings section and replace the URL here. Logo URL, signature URL. But the student's URL will be come from here. Don't worry about it. I have added a option in the admin section to add student image. Okay, so there is a brandings as well. How you can add your own brandings? Just go to your Google Sheet in the settings section. This is your university name. Right now we are using our YouTube channel name. This is your tagline and this is your title. This is your signature title, signature deputy, and everything you can customize from here and it will be commit here. So this is the QR code. Let's take example. A student come to the examination hall and they will get a fake slip, or you can say original slip. So you want to examiner coordinator want to verify that this slip is original or fake. Okay, and here you will see this is a seat number and this is a test day or date and this is reporting time and this is the venue that you can add it in your student section. Note from the sheet we have the admin panel as well. So let me show you the blocked one. Okay, I just come to here and go back to search and select here and paste it here and select. You can see note found. Please clear your dues and contact admin. Why this will error come? Because we have blocked this particular CNIC, this particular student ID number, that they cannot able to get their roll number slip, admit card until they clear their dues. Okay, you understand. Let me pause the video and get a fake QR code. Okay, I have the fake QR code here as well. Okay, you understand. Now I just simply click here admin login and enter my admin details and click on this login. Here we have only admin login. So in this system we can add the students or verify the students. Okay, so this is the dashboard overview and on the other side you can see the mobile interference. On the mobile you will see the interference, something like that. Okay, so we just simply click on this new scan and when we click on this new scan, as of now you can see this is a fake QR code and I just scan this fake QR code and it will not scanning this QR code. It will only scan the QR code which is available in our database and you can see it is not going to scanning this QR code. But on the other side, if I am going to the students and here you can see this is a QR code and I am just scanning this QR code, it will scan the QR code. Okay, so you can see this is the feature. Only the QR code is generated by using our Google Sheet or printed on our admit card roll number slip can only scan that particular QR code. If the QR code is not valid or the fake QR code, it will give you also the error that this QR code is not recognized. I will find that one from the Google and show you the demo as okay. So here I have another QR code which is I get from this website for just testing purposes and you can see this is invalid QR code. Let me show you this. The QR code scanner is started and I just show the QR code invalid QR code because this is not valid QR code structure which our system will accept. So I think you like my video till now, so I am requesting you to subscribe my channel to make my day. Just subscribe, it will give me pleasure and I will make definitely more videos more than interesting from this one. Okay, you understand. Okay, so this is the thing. Now let me talk about the management. Okay, here you can see if you want to add a new student, you can simply add a new student from here and this is the venue. How you can add the venue in the drop down? Let me show you. Just go to your venue section. In the venue section you can add, edit, update or delete the venue. Okay, so you can add the venue. Let's take example. This is Ramesh scripts. Okay, this is Ramesh scripts and I just simply click on this save. So when I click on this save, as of now venue added is successfully in the student section. When I go to in the student section and here you will see I am going to add a student. Okay, let me add a demo data. this is my CNIC demo. Okay, so here I am entering my name. Okay, here's I am entering my father name, and here's I am entering my surname. Okay, you can add as per your own. I am just adding here demo data. Okay, so here I am entering my contact number 408354. Okay, so this is a seat number. Let's take example. The seat number is 56789, and this is a test date, and this is the reporting time, and you can also change the reporting time from here and allow or block. And this is enemy scripts, and if you want to add your own profile picture, so let me add this, and I just simply click on this open. So it's uploading the image in our Google Drive, and then save the QR code in our database, or then save the URL in our Google Sheet. So you can see this is the student photo, and I just simply click on this save icon. So when I click on the save icon, as of now you can easily able to see here my data is being successfully added, and this is the dummies. Okay, let me scan it first. This is the thing, and I just scan the QR code, and here's the QR code. Let me, this will, the student is verified successfully. Okay, so you can see the student is verified successfully. Hope you like this video. The source code is absolutely free, available in the description. You can go and test it out. So thank you very much. Take care.